That's bloody good. Yeah, g'day. Today I'm gonna be cooking hamburgers. So I've got the beef. I've just preheated the air fryer. So I'm gonna put the beef burgers in the air fryer and then put the eggs, onions, bacon, all on top and cook them as we go. And then I'll crisp up the buns, put them in the air fryer, and see how we go. So I'll just put a bit of spray on the bottom, olive oil spray, so they don't stick. So I'll put the burger straight on the bottom. I want to try and make a little bit of a dint, so when I put the egg on, it won't run off. I'll put a bit of salt and pepper on it. There we go. Might cook them for, don't want to cook them too much because we're going to be cooking it as we go. So we'll go 190 for 5 minutes, and then we'll have a look after 5 minutes. Righto, there we go. All right, I've got to try and crack the egg, put the egg on the top now. Oh yeah, ran everywhere. Right, there's the egg, ran off the side a little bit, but doesn't matter. We'll keep going. Go another 5 minutes at 190. Righto, I stopped it at about 2 minutes to go. There, the eggs are starting to cook all right. So what I want to do is put the bacon in. I'll just put that on there around the outside. Top, just chuck the onion in there. There we go. So I'll crank it up to 200. Go 5 minutes. See what happens. All right, it's got 2 minutes to go. I think 5 minutes is probably a bit too long, so we'll have a look. There you go. So I want to put the other bits of bacon on. The onion. I'll just put the cheese on. Plastic cheese. There we go. Just go for another couple of minutes. Let it keep going. Alright, there we go. We'll get them out. Put the buns in. Go 200. Probably only need 2 minutes. Alright. Alright, so got a bit of lettuce. tomato sauce. Tomato. Doesn't look bad. All right, let's try it. I'll cut it in half so we can have a look what it looks like. See if it's cooked. Oh, it's cooked. Looks all right. Not bad. Let's give it a go. That's a good burger. That's pretty good. That's easy to cook in there. It's easier than cooking it in the frying pan. You got no mess from the fry pan spitting everywhere on you. That's bloody good. Well, I hope you enjoyed that one. I'll see you next time.